Hey guys, so welcome back to For My Sons. Today we are going to be going to the Florida Aquarium. Yay! We're going to be going to the Florida Aquarium with my sister and her daughter. We're going to be joining them today. So guys, stay tuned and thank you so much for watching.
It's JB Morrow, go and get your bag.
Hey guys, so we made it. Woo-hoo. All right, y'all. So we are walking up to the aquarium, but first, y'all know I like to take my pictures. I gotta take a picture at this time with my boys. Okay, so y'all, here is the entrance behind me. We are about to go in now. Stay tuned for the vlog. Yeah, I think I can sing a little bit. Okay. I got my sister, guys, and her baby. Alright, y'all, so we just made it in. Wow, what's up there? Kingston. Hi. Kingston. Hey, handsome. You want to get out too? Say, I want to get out, Mama. I'm going to get you out in the state. Wow, it's so many. All right, come on. Let's see what else they got. What is it? A turtle? Oh, wow. Mari, look over here. Look. It's turtles. What? No. Look over. Oh, you see them right there. Uh-oh. Look, Kingston. You see the turtles? Mari. What's over there? Oh, that's cool. Yeah, Mari just gonna keep walking and walking. Huh? Oh, Mari, look, alligator at the top. You don't see it? You talking about no? Y'all, it's the otter right there. Wow, it swims so cute. Wow, it's a snake. It's up there. You can't see it, Mari, but it's all the way at the top. It's all the way at the top, Mari. You see him, Mari? Hey. Wow. Oh, let me get one. Wow. I see. How cool. So, y'all, we are in the inside. Y'all, it'd be hard to record because, as you can see, I'm holding the baby. I'm watching the baby. And I'm pushing a stroller, so it'd be hard to try to record and do all these things at once, but I maintain, okay? Y'all, look at these yellow stingrays, so cool. Wow. Wow, Mari. Wow, so cool. You see him, Kingston? Y'all, look at this. Big old lobster. Y'all look at these stingrays. Touch them, Mari. Just
No.
yeah, Mari's scared to touch them. Hmm. Okay, get him now. Oh well, he too low. I see. Wow, so cool. You see, Kingston? Yeah, look at Mari. He talking about he touched the stingray. Good job. Good job, Mari. It's so cool. Y'all look at this black and white stingray. Got black polka dots. I mean white polka dots. But look at the stingray, y'all. There's some more fish up here. Look at Kingston looking. But how cool is that? Y'all, Mari having a time. Y'all just wait until Kingston able to walk. Baby, he gonna show y'all a thing or two. Trust. Y'all look at these paddlefish. Cool. Okay, y'all, so we have came to the 3rd floor. That's where we are now. Oh wow, y'all, it says forest, I guess, like the forest animals and stuff. So y'all finna see the whole thing. Yes, guys. Here they go over here. So we came back here. I see. Girl, what the? Y'all see these? Look at this turtle, y'all. Y'all. Look at what Tori got the kids. Look at what Navi got. It's so cute. Look at what Mari got. So cute. Okay, y'all. So we are downtown Tampa. We walking. We about to go get some food with the kiddos. All right, y'all. So this is where we landed to. They got different food. They got different restaurants and different things out this way. So you guys are about to see that. And the reason why y'all know I'm breathing hard and all this is because I'm carrying these kids. Well, I'm pushing them, pushing these with the bags in there. And that bag right there, y'all, real heavy. Ice cream. Y'all see they got the lake back there. They got chairs, a field for the kids to play and sit down and eat. My sister is ordering from this hot dog place. But yes, y'all, this is the view. Okay, y'all, so I just got done from ordering at this place. It's called Everglazed. They have chicken and donuts, so I ordered a regular glazed donut, y'all, because I don't know, but I got some chicken tenders, fries, and a donut, and then we're gonna go somewhere, sit down and eat. Ooh, sister, let me see how that look. Sister, that look. Y'all look at my sister food. That looks so good. Ooh, okay. Girl, it do look good. Period.
You're saying loud. Now, you're gonna lower your arms down and lift your heels up.
All right, y'all. So we got our food. They doing some type of yoga or something over here, y'all.
Heels lower, arms up.
But
Good.
uh-oh, Mama sorry. So y'all, we about to ride the trolley.
Wait, Tommy.
Yeah. We about to ride the train, y'all. That's coming. Mari said he wanted to ride. We was finna leave after getting something to eat because it started raining. But it stopped raining for a little bit right now. So yeah, I'm finna ride the trolley with the boys. This will be their first time.
Yeah.
It's almost here. Well, both of them. Wow. Y'all look at them.